This is limitedresources.us. We can be reached at 647-931-1829. This is a demonstration of our single box, which can run a washer and a gas dryer at the same time from one unit. As you can see, when we open it up, there are two inputs. One is for the 120 volt washer, and the second one is for the 120 volt gas dryer. There you have the circuit credit card systems, two credit card systems built into it. You have a location for the coins to drop in, and you can download our app if you'd like to pay by credit card at Android at limitedresources.us or iPhone at limitedresources.us. Accepts Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and Discover, along with prepaid codes. You would download our app, put your credit card information in, and it would send the money to the box. This box does not require internet access. It connects via our mobile app using Bluetooth, and once you've purchased how much time you'd like to use on the box, it sends that amount of time over to the box and charges your credit card. So you can use both coin, credit card, metal tokens, and regular currency, coin currency, all at the same time. As you can see, open it up again. Those are the two 120 volt inputs. Comes with a coin collection box. There you have it. There's the timer. This one is set up for 25 cents for every 5 minutes of time. That's configurable. You can change that as you'd like to any amount and any time duration. This is limitedresources.us.